Okay, so we're gonna try an experiment on Lily. Pop Rocks. I used to love them as a kid, so we're gonna try and see if she likes them.
These are sour. Here.
Just a little bit, dude.
Okay, here. Come on.
Like, put some in your hand and give it to her. Don't.
I'm just gonna tap them in there. Here.
Do you hear the snap, crackle, pop? Do you like it, sweetie? Do you like it?
You can put it in your mouth. You want more?
No, no more. Let the ones that are in her mouth. Let the ones that are in her mouth.
They're gone.
Was that fine? Was that fun, mamas? Okay, just one little bit more.
Here,
just a little bit. Because then she's going to stay up on it.
Come on. Hold on.
Okay. Sour? That must be the sour reaction. Ain't that
She
fun?
didn't even get that much.
Ain't that fun? Well, she's not supposed to get a lot. Was that fun? Okay, say bye, Lily.
No, hold on, one more.
Okay.
Here, one more.
Dude, you want to keep her up for me, don't you? Okay, dude.
Look at it. That's what it sounds like, huh? You want more?
No, that's it. Say bye, Lily. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, love.